Hello and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your favorite mathematics tutor, Comfort Amwako Ata. Okay, so I welcome you all to my class this moment. If today is the very first time of you joining my class, a special welcome goes to you. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please look down there and click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Then you also click on the notification bell to receive updates from me all the time. Thank you. All right, so for today, we are going to look at integers. All right, so I'm going to go through step-by-step ways in identifying or solving problems involving integers. I'm going to look at the practical aspect of it. So pick your joters as you come along with me to go through today's activities together. Okay, so the first problem we have here is all right, good. So what integer represents a temperature of 2 degrees below Celsius? Before we start with the problems, let's go through one or two tidbits of integers. So if we say, let's picture a coordinate plane. Now for the coordinate plane, as you move up, there are positive values. As you move down, negative values. As we move to the east, positive values. And as we move to the west, negative values, right? We are going to apply this. We are going to use the same approach in dealing or in solving problems on the integers. Okay. So the first problem is, what integer represents a temperature of 2 degrees below 0 Celsius? All right, so this is now our intersection, which is 0 Celsius. So below 0 Celsius would be what? The negative values, right? So the first answer was what? Negative 2. That's all. So 2 degrees below 0 Celsius would be what? Negative 2. That's all. Then the second problem is, the elevation of a Salton Sea in California is 66 meters below sea level. Just identify the key terms here. Below sea level. Below 0 degrees, below sea level, they are the same. Now, which integer best represents this elevation in meters? So below will be what? Negative 66. That's all. Okay. Let's move on. So let's go to the third one. Train A and train B departed in opposite directions. So in opposite directions will be one is here, one is here. Okay. Train A traveled 125 miles west. And don't forget that if it is west, it is what? Negative. So this is the west. So negative what? 100. So 125 west. And train B traveled 96 miles east. So this is your east, and these are, that is where the positive values also falls, right? Okay. So we have negative 125, then 96 to the east. So how could the final location of the trains be described on the number line? So train A is at 0 units. The station is at negative 125 units, and the train B is at positive 96 units. Okay. So train A is not at 0 units. Nope. So this is out. Train B is at 0 units, and that is also out. No. The station is at 0 units. Good. Trend B is at negative 125 minutes. Wrong. It was trend A that was at negative 125 minutes. And trend B was at what, 96 units. So our correct answer is what, D, which is the station is at 0 units. Good. Trend A is at negative 125 units. Good. And trend B is at 96 units. And that give us our final answer. Okay, let's move on, guys. Let's see the fourth question. The average annual temperature during the years 1971 to 2000 was negative 3.0 degrees Celsius in Alaska and 21.1 degrees Celsius in Hawaii, whatever. Based on this data, which statement is true? So, negative 3.1 degrees Celsius in Alaska. So let's see this one. So the average temperature in Alaska was 3 degrees below. Don't forget that if it is negative, it is indeed below the 0 degrees Celsius or below sea level. And the average temperature in Hawaii was also 21 degrees above, because it is what, positive. So simple like that. If it is below, they are negative. Above, positive. Very simple. All right. Okay, so let's see number 5. Which of these numbers has the greatest value? They are negative and positive. So the negative values are out, because if you compare negative values and positive values have greater value than negative values, right? So obviously the answer becomes what? 8. That's all. Okay. Good job. Let's see number 6. The weather person said that the temperature was 17 degrees below 0. I hope you guys have found the answer already. How should this number be written? Below. That is negative 17. That's all. Okay. Number 7. Place the phrase that correctly complete the sentence. The table shows the elevation in 6 different cities. Okay, so these are the cities, right? Now, Gladys traveled from one city to another. Her elevation dropped 49 feet. So these are the available answers. Adenton to Dumpleton, Baymount to Edgeview, Cherry Grove to Forest City, Edgeview to Adenton. Which of them do you think will be the correct answer? So I would choose, let's elevate them and see. Let's look at the last one, Edgeview to Adenton. Where is the Edgeview? The Edgeview is here, which is -3 to Adenton. What is Adenton? Oh, okay, that is 39. And the question was dropped 49 feet. So there's no way the difference between this and this will be 49. So this is out. Let's see this. Cherry Grove to Forest City. Cherry Grove is 98, right? So Forest City is what, 29. There's no way the difference between this and this will also be 49. So this is also out. Baymount to Edgeview. Where is the Baymount? Baymount is 10. Edgeview is -3. And there's no way the difference will also be 49. So this is also out. So Adenton and Dumpleton. Adenton is what, 39. And Dumpleton is what, -10. And this is correct. Because from 39, you move to the 0 degrees before you come additional 10. This is 39 to 0, example, you start 9 difference, then you add additional 10, which is giving you 49. And this gives you the correct answer. So it is very simple. You just have to know your below sea levels, above sea levels, below 0 degrees, above 0 degrees, and how to identify them easily. Okay, the 8th question. The wind chill is 16 degrees below 0. Write this number numerically, right? So below means what? Negative 16. So that is the correct answer. Good. All right. This brings us to the end of these questions of all of this section. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I always say that practice, they say, makes perfect. So if you want to be perfect, you need to practice more on your own. Thank you. And I believe this tutorial was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up down there and share the links to your friends as well. So we meet again. Please stay safe and learn hard. Have a great week ahead. Love you all. Bye.